Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Four Seasons in Sweden. Into this vlog, we are going to plant our vegetables. We have the bell pepper, papaya, chili, and the sweet potato, and we have also the bell pepper and many more. But before we plant our vegetables, we need to prepare our soil. So first we're going to dig it up, and the soil we need to separate but by each other, so they will be softer and it's easy to grow our plants or the roots of our vegetables. And we need also to mix the coffee grounds, because coffee grounds, it contains several key minerals for plant growths, such as nitrogen, calcium, potassium, iron, phosphorus, magnesium, and chromium. And they may also help absorb heavy metals that can contaminate soil. And also the coffee grounds help attract worms, which are great for your plants. So guys, our plant is need to water. So on the first time that you're going to water your plant, so you need to water it very well. Make sure that all the roots is wet, so you will not dry. And hopefully we are succeeding this project this year. So I am really excited, guys, what will be the result in the summer. So please follow me until the end. So I hope you learned something from my vlog for today. And next we're going to plant the carrots, and we have different colors.